Hamites or people of Ham. That's it. This is where the Hamite civilization begins after the flood. So now Valley civilization is only referring to the Hamites. And you had the Shemites, the Japhethites, and the Guatamites at the same time in their own designated countries. Now, the fleet of Shem, the Indians, and Middle Easterners, so called, there were 34 ships and 3,105 people that landed off the coast to start anew in the land of India and the so called Middle East. And out of the fleets of Shem came the Zarathustrians, Hindu, the Vedas, the Sanskrit, the Sumerians, the Chaldeans, along with the Hebrew Israelites. And the fleets of Japhet, the Chinese and Asians, there were 34 ships and 3,105 people that landed off the coast to start anew in China and Asia. Then you have the fleets of Yesta, the Japanese, were two ships that separated from the other fleets and was unknown to the other fleets until thousands of years after. And these things took place in the 17th ark after the creation of man, the Ark of Noah, which is 24,000 years before the Ark of Cosmos, the 25th ark cycle, which we are in now. So you had native people on the lands of America, which was named Gautama, the land of China, which is Japhet, the land of Africa, better known as Ham or Cam, and India, better known as Shem. 24,000 years before the present time, which is 8 ark cycles of 3,000 years from the Ark of Noah to the Ark of Cosmos, you had these people migrating off these lands. And with that, I'd like to say peace and blessings and catch you on the next documentary. Peace.